The boy actually created a cannon using magic in another world. When the cannon fired, the explosion completely leveled the small island in the middle of the lake. Yet just 2 days earlier, the boy had only begun learning magic. The teacher had told him to inject magic power into a stone in his hand. While the teacher praised his strong magic power, the boy continued pouring more magic into the stone. As cracks began to appear on the surface, the teacher hurriedly told him to throw it away. The moment the boy threw the stone into the air, a massive explosion shook the entire territory. Hearing the blast, his parents rushed over, while the teacher stood frozen in fear. She thought she would be blamed, but the parents were surprisingly happy to hear what had happened. However, since that kind of magic was more suited for war, the father asked the teacher to teach him other types of magic. After his parents left, the boy asked the teacher for more of those same stones, but she refused. Fearing the boy might destroy the land, the teacher took him to an open field for a magic attribute test. To her surprise, the boy possessed both fire and water attributes. The teacher was thrilled, but the boy told her to keep going. To her astonishment, she discovered that he was a mage with all attributes. The teacher then began to formally train him in using magic. Words appeared in front of the boy's eyes, and the teacher explained that reciting them would activate the spell. However, the boy couldn't read a single word, so the teacher taught him how to pronounce them on the spot. To her surprise, he succeeded on his first try, but because his pronunciation was off, his spell was much weaker than the teacher's. The boy then began practicing intensely, and by the next day, he had cast a perfect spell. Later, the boy proposed a bold idea. He asked the teacher to write down every spell she knew, then modified the parameters within the spells by comparing them. He successfully created a brand new spell. When the teacher tried to cast it, she felt a sharp headache, but when the boy cast it, he actually produced gold. The boy then wrote the spell down on paper, and asked the teacher to try again. This time, she succeeded immediately. After that, the two began creating new spells together. Using his memories from his previous life, the boy soon invented a gun, and even taught the teacher how to use it. Later, he created a cannon, which completely blew up the island in the lake. However, the cannon barrel couldn't withstand the power and cracked apart.